Yo, let's go. Okay, let's get some music popping in this house. Oh, my video's not on. One second. There you go. Alright.
I think once it flips, it should fly, dude.
Yeah, that 200 level is right there though.
Okay. Once it breaks the topic, that's it.
Yeah, but even I feel you on this. I really do believe that it should continue.
Yeah, like it's gone down almost 8 pips. 7 to 8 pips.
More confidence should be at the end of this half an hour candle. When we close this, because the 1 hour candle is then breaking the 1 hour market structure.
As usual, let's wait.
Yeah. We're just waiting it out. Let's go. Okay, let's go to soundboard. Can you hear that clearly?
I can't hear anything. I'm on Discord. Is it only for YouTube?
No, for Discord also. One sec. Can you hear that? Hello? Yo. Gypsy?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear that?
Yes, I can hear that.
Alright, sorted.
It's not clear. As in quality wise, that's all.
Now?
It's nice.
Alright, it's clear now.
Play that when you die in Warzone.
when we're dying in Warzone, I can play.
Okay, it surprised me there. Wah, wah, wah.
Yeah. Let's go.
See that you can play crypto challenges us and get swooped.
Seriously.
That day, remember we were playing, you had to leave early.
Yeah.
It's like, come 1v1. Oh, fine. He wanted Vacher, I gave him one shot. Dude, you beat me, I'll make you OG.
Yeah.
Dude, he whooped my ass, but then,
Yeah.
1 by 4 kills.
He comes close, okay, but he doesn't come close enough.
He's good, he's improving. Proud.
He's improving a lot with that SPR, not gonna lie.
Dude, he built some insane AK-47, man. 2 shots, I'm dying.
Lol. Alright, welcome to the London session. Let's get it. No, or I'm gonna change this. Let's put this at the end. Just you and I. But yeah, he's becoming pretty decent.
It's fine.
Yeah.
He'll always be on top.
Always. Never say never.
I'm waiting for the day he surpasses us, but
I don't think that will come.
I think by that time we would have moved to VR gaming.
Yeah.
It'll take that long.
And we've improved so much already. And we're continuing to only improve, so yeah.
My gosh, look at that rejection.
Exactly. That's why I was saying 1 hour, we should wait for the 1 hour.
I was so tempted to enter this with a 2 lot. Then I just like 200 rejection, look at that, right in front of you.
So you're starting the 10k today?
Yeah, I got like motivation because when you're doing it.
Yeah. And we're gonna take every single trade like properly. Because last week was a really banger week where analysis was concerned. And quite a few freaking amazing trades we took. So So yeah, I'm excited for today. Let's see what pops up. Alright, we'll do a complete top-down analysis. Okay. Let's just say, yeah, quite a few guys are there, but they're playing Dota right now. But anyway.
How's YouTube popping? How many view watching? Oh, look at the number of views right now.
Lol. Right now,
Welcome.
one.
Welcome.
If you notice, at 3 o'clock it pops off.
Yeah, right after the session. Wait,
Yeah.
was that an Alpine car?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Alpine.
Yeah, I can see the back tire.
Yeah, it's completely stretched across the two screens.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah,
But
and on the
only-
other screen I got the 765 LP.
Really half both backs.
Yeah.
Oh, desktop 1 and desktop 2.
Yeah.
You meant to. Cool.
And the front is on the screen I'm not sharing.
But this one, what? 2022 Ferrari, man. Ooh, it looks
Intense.
so good.
So let's just quickly check those out. 2022 F1. Okay, let's just see all the F1 cars.
Oh, AlphaTauri also looks good. The first one, dude. Everyone should race that.
Red Bull decent.
Red Bull is the same.
If McLaren was this, it would have been intense.
Yeah. There's a lot more blue, right?
Yeah. I think these are just more concept. 1 second. Let's see the actual cars.
Just type legit over there.
Oh, here's all the new F1 2022 cars.
Ooh.
Sheesh.
Not gonna lie.
Silver Arrow, man, lad.
Full screen that.
Yeah. 1 second. Yes. Not gonna lie. Wait, why isn't? What is this?
Okay, never mind.
Why is it? What is this nonsense? Bruh. Yeah. Okay, wait, what I can do is this. I can zoom in here. Okay. Intense. Yeah, not gonna lie, the Ferrari looks killer.
This angle it just looks cute, man. Not menacing.
Look at this.
Look at those stories only riding it. Right.
Yeah, this I was little disappointed with McLaren, not gonna lie.
I think they tried to involve that Gulf livery into this and added that light blue because
Yeah.
previously it was dark blue.
Red Bull, they stuck to the classic and it always does look good. Aston Martin just looks menacing, not gonna lie. This British racing green is just too good. Haas
This is
looks
not-
so good.
This is not the Haas livery.
is
After
not.
Shed did all their shit.
Okay, so this is removed.
That is removed. The blue and red thing is also gone.
Oh,
And Mazepin is also gone.
dude, I find that so unfair. I just don't think
I
that is
felt
right.
so bad.
Williams looks like some spaceship only, not gonna lie.
To herself. Bruh. AlphaTauri looks good, man. I like
AlphaTauri
that.
looks good. But this blue, no, it looks like some faded blue.
Yeah, they're white, contrast. Look at this.
This Alpine was honestly, it is very controversial. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, I thought freaking Racing Point is coming
Exactly.
back.
Yeah, this is very controversial. And Alfa Romeo, come on.
That's gloss, right?
Yeah, what
Yeah.
are we talking about? That looks beautiful.
Look at the rim tire. It's like that half thing we want on our tires, our rims also.
Yeah, insane.
What did I say?
It's the thing we want on our tires. You're talking about the rim
Tires.
shields, right?
Yeah.
This
You
one
want-
Don't switch? I don't know. Don't.
That's your camera, dude. Don't switch.
Yeah. Alright, Ravi Kanodia. What is good, my man? And
Yeah,
yes, GJ fake out. Yup.
Bro, I lost all my money, guys. Good idea.
Yeah.
It's these things only which annoy so much.
Yeah,
But it is clearly seen there.
that's true, man. It's okay. Wait, let's see. 1 hour. Okay, see 2 hour. We have a good support over here. Okay, 1 second. Alright, what are we talking about? Okay, let's just do a top-down analysis on GJ. Actually, I'm just gonna remove everything. Let's go to the monthly time frame and come right down. Alright, so yeah, so actually, Gypsy, if you check my stream out on
YouTube.
Yeah, I've added a few new elements like the chat and everything. You can read it on the screen, but it's pretty cool. I don't know why I told you that, but yeah. Anyway, so coming back to it, GJ. Let's just break GJ down. We have a monthly resistance at 156 flat, right? I think if I'm not mistaken, we have the weekly resistance at 157. 158 or so is a pretty decent level. Let's just mark all these key price points, key price levels, which there you go. We have monthly support down over here at the bottom at 149,500. I'm gonna bring it. Today I'm just gonna do what I do always. Key levels. We're gonna search for key levels, So we have a zone over here of rejection at 151 flat. That shows how important this level is right over here. Okay, so let's just run it up. Okay, so this is a monthly resistance. Okay, just leave that in blue. Okay, this is a monthly support. Coming down to the weekly, there you go. 157 is the weekly resistance. Weekly resistance. So this resistance hasn't been broken out as yet. GJ, I literally this was my vision, okay, of it coming down to these lows, because these are all equal lows if you see it, right? So there's gonna be lots of stops over here which the market makers will definitely push it for, and at this resistance we can definitely expect a massive move like this back down to these lows, especially with all this war that's going on. Anyway, daily resistance, the nearest daily resistance is over here, right? So what we're seeing at 155 flat is the daily resistance. Okay, so now we're gonna start looking for key levels and we're gonna start searching for it. As of now, the key level I think is 500 for, yeah. So if you look at this level at 500, it's a previous daily resistance which we've tapped into twice. Today also we've tapped into it, but we haven't closed below it previously. So that's actually a very good level for us to look at. The 4-hour time frame. So this is what we're gonna start searching for. Okay. So we're gonna start searching for the key level which price has come up to again and again, or has tested it a lot of times. Okay, here you go, 153 flat, psychological level plus key support. 1 second. So the psychological level plus key support is what we will look at. Because as of now on GJ on the 4-hour time frame, this is our GJ resistance, right? And this is our GJ support for the 4-hour time frame, but as of now we haven't done anything else. So let's continue looking at this 4-hour resistance on the 3-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame. So we're not expecting price to close above this level, so actually we can bring it to 152. So that's the 4-hour resistance. Okay, and so let's look at this. This is gonna be the 4-hour candle flip. Today's daily candle started somewhere over here if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't know if I removed that. Okay, I think I removed it by mistake. Another open status, was it that? No. Yeah, previous day price. There you go. So that's where the market opened today. So right now the daily has flipped. So this will be the 4-hour flip. Right over here. Okay, so let's just look at that. Okay, so that's the 4-hour flip, the daily flip, and the 4-hour is rejecting this level. So you see why this is such a key price point for us over here. So what we're gonna do now is 220 is our level of rejection as of now. Yeah, 220 is our level of rejection. Is there anything above that? No, that's just a fake out. No problem. So our rejection zone is from 220 to 200. No trades until we break this region, right? Because you can see clearly that price has rejected this level many times. Okay, so Gypsy, look at this. Okay, you see?
Yep.
Why you think we rejected this level? Because everyone would have believed that at 220, once we break 220, we should have continued, but there was a massive rejection previously. Alright, so we're holding this level pretty strong. GJ fake outs, yes. Alright, so we have 5 live with us. Let me know what's poppin', what are you all thinking of, what are you all looking to trade, everything. Alright, say what's up in the chat when you join, so I know who's there. Anyway, so there you go, we have that level. Gypsy, were you there with us on Friday?
What?
Were you there with us on Friday?
No.
No, alright. On Friday, I spoke to them about something really key, about how we take trades on the higher time frame in expectation, and it worked out to the T. Like there was no trades on the lower time frame, so we took a trade on the 2-hour time frame, and it worked out to the T, you know, just looking at it clearly. So yeah, hey Archie, what is good? Oh, Archie's there in the Discord chat too. That's awesome. Christy, sorry. And Praise has also joined us. What's up, welcome guys. So yeah, so you all see my zones and my key levels. If y'all are wondering why I marked the 200 level, it's a key psychological point. Psychological level for GJ. Okay, so that's why I've marked so many of these things, because over here you see that we're rejecting this 4-hour resistance. This line shows the open of the market open, so that's basically the daily open level. So when we break below this level, you're basically seeing the daily flip bearish, and once we break below this level, you see the 4-hourly flip bearish. So how many pips is this zone? So we're in a 40 pip zone. I'm not gonna lie, you can pick up some quick scalps, but I'm gonna say let's just wait for the bigger trades to play out. once we break below this 30-minute support. Because honestly, once we're breaking below the 30-minute support, we're breaking below the 4-hour level, 3-hour level, and a 2-hour level. So once we get below 680, I'd definitely be looking at some trades. This fake out would actually be a good place to take a trade straight off here. So yeah. Yeah, Archie says that EJ sells are beautiful on Friday. Oh, trust me, Archie, we call the sells all the way up from here, guys. On Friday, the trade we call the trade all the way up from there. We call the break of this level. Of course, there was a almost like a small fake out, but the way it fell was intense. Oh, not there. This is Asian session, so below this Asian session, yeah. So that was basically from here. That is just intense. Look at that. What was that? 200 pips or something? 240 pips. Intense. What's up, Yuvraj, Nishad? So yeah. Anyway, so coming back to GJ. That's my thought process on GBP JPY. Do we have any news coming in today? Not much. But what we do need to look at is this amount of chaos with Russia and Ukraine. So we need to be really careful of it. Because now if Russia continues doing what they're doing, you see this JPY move down, right? This JPY move down was purely because of the war that's going on. So in order to understand that, we have to understand that, when there is a threat of war, people will start moving to safe haven currencies. That's like your JPY, your Swiss franc and everything. So if I actually go to GBP CHF, there you go. What happened? Drop. Value comes into CHF when whenever there's a threat of war and everything, because it's a safe haven currency. Basically what other countries will depend on if we were to have a war. So there you go. So anyway, so we got some pretty decent levels to sell at over here. I would say once we get below 680 we can start selling. This 4-hour time frame is gonna flip bearish right now, so we're gonna start looking for our trades real soon. And don't forget, today we started the new 10k challenge. All the results are gonna be on this Discord server in the 10k YouTube challenge results. Where is it? And I use magic keys, right? I use magic keys for all my trade management and everything, so I open calculator, I calculate whatever I need to do, I open trade. You can close half, close full, everything, you all get the vibe. So that's basically what I use to trade. And so yeah, so whatever you all need, you all can find it in the Discord chat. All details are given in the Discord chat. Funding and tools also. I have a My Forex Funds affiliate link. If you want magic keys, magic keys is right there. And IC Markets and Traders, where the two brokers I've traded with before and they're trustworthy. So yeah, so that's my view on GJ. Anybody else GJ trade? Let me know what GJ trades you all are looking for. Trace and Archie. What are the GJ trades we can look for?
Hi, how are you?
Yo, what up, Praise? How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm actually bearish biased towards GJ.
Yeah?
I've been looking at it over the weekend. I looked at the monthly time frame as well as the weekly time frame.
Yeah?
So what it did is it closed below the 4-hour resistance, just like you marked here.
Yeah?
So I'm just waiting for it to break another support that it is making here at 4-hour
Yeah.
Then I'm just waiting for it to go down. Because we are at a monthly resistance, if I'm not mistaken, monthly or weekly resistance.
Yep.
Let's check. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for it to just go down and complete that that 4.
Yep. Sounds good by me. Okay, GJ is gonna continue down. I think that's pretty obvious. I have a $300 account. That's awesome, Yuvraj. What about it? I wanna sell UJ. Interesting approach. We shall check UJ in a bit. I think let's move to gold. I think today, did we already hit 2000? Oh yeah, we hit 2000. Man, gold was a buy right from the bottom. 23,000 pips. I know people who've been holding it all the way from here. Gold. Yeah. Gold 5 lot, 10 pips is $500, right? Yeah, gold 5 lot, 10 pips is $500. So per pip is $50. $50. Alright, into 23,000. Wow. Yeah, I know people are holding $1 million in gold buys. That's just intense. Super intense. So yeah, okay, so Yuvraj, we'll just look at that in a bit. 2000 level. I'm gonna mark the 2050 level. Weekly time frame. Yeah, 2040 or so is an important level. And coming down, this is 1930 is important. Daily time frame. 1950 is important. 1960 also. So yeah, so these are the only levels I'm gonna look at on gold. I think gold may just make all-time highs. Judging from the way we've moved so far, with all this war and everything, gold may just about make some all-time highs. There's 1980 also the key level. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1980 is a key level and 2000 flat is another key level. There you go. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, let's just look at UJ then. Before we continue, he wants to sell UJ. Alright. So first okay, so I know that UJ is in a bearish market, okay, because of this massive move down. But for me on UJ, I need multiple confirmations. I need to break below this level because we've previously rejected this level many times, and this would definitely be a level of caution that I'm looking at. So I'm not really sure if you can short GJ for long. You can short UJ scalping if you want, depending upon, yeah, but it's very small ranges. So I'm not sure what you're seeing on UJ. That's such a massive scalp as such. But I would say be careful of UJ. UJ, I'm not seeing enough range to move. Yet UJ on the 4-hour time frame has a big imbalance to the top side. So if we do break above this level which I've marked for you, we should be able to move to the top of the range. Up to here at least on UJ. That's about 20 pips away. This 1-hour candle flip could be a pretty decent trade, not gonna lie. No problem, man, Yuvraj. Don't mention it. It's just that you want to be really confident in your trade. You want to be comfortable in your trade. And right now, this market structure on UJ is not giving me confidence to take a sell on it, to be exact. So let's just look at it. Let's check some news. Retail turnover. Chinese yuan hits all-time high again. Yes. Rises at fastest annual pace since 2007. That is very interesting, you know. Actually, wait 1 second. I wanted to see what US 30 and all are doing. Okay, interesting. We're kind of ranging. Anyway, leaving that aside, let's look at some other stuff. EJ, 4 hourly, three hourly, 2 hourly, 1 hourly, 30-minute. Euro JPY is very clean on the 1-hour time frame and everything, so I think Euro JPY, we just want to see a break of this low, honestly. Yeah, Euro JPY, once we break this low, we can continue down, because I think on the 4-hour time frame at that point it's just continuation. We're not looking at anything else. GJ 1-hour candle hasn't flipped yet. 15-minute candles are rejecting this level right over here, 840 level. So we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait and see. We're trading higher time frames right now. Gold has recovered like crazy. 100 pips up. Gold just shot up 100 pips. That engulfing 5-minute candle could have been a beautiful entry, or the 15-minute bullish closure. Let's search for an absolute banger today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm interested to find a banger. Yeah. Let's check some news out. Uh, let's go to the live Discord. 1 second, let me just change the video.
Black Sea resort of Odessa could be next. He's urged Western powers to send Ukraine more weapons.
Вони готуються бомбардувати Одесу.
They are planning to bombard Odessa. The Russians always used to come to Odessa and they felt only warmth, only sincerity in Odessa. And now bombs are coming against Odessa. Artillery, missiles. This is going to be a war crime, a historic crime.
This man, who doesn't want to be identified, also talks about alleged Russian crimes. He was working on a cruise ship in the Caribbean Sea when Russia invaded his country. He's come home to fight.
To be honest, I am scared. I was scared when I made this decision. I mean, this is the war. Like, people are dying, and there is the chance that you're gonna get shot or
Yeah, this is war,
I don't
lads.
know, injured, whatever. But as I said, now we are united and everybody on the same risk.
Lives are being turned upside down in Ukraine. People are having to make heartbreaking decisions on whether to leave behind their homes and loved ones or risk their safety by staying put.
When we realized that that things are getting bad, we decided to go.
Ivan was studying and working as a software engineer in the eastern city of Kharkiv when the Russian shelling began. He shows me pictures of what's left of his office building and describes fleeing during the violence.
From my neighborhood to the
sad.
train station, it's
You
approximately
can see the
10
amount of war and
kilometers.
the destruction it's creating. So when we look at that, that's why you see how far JPY pushed, right? 200 pips down. So yeah, that's what you can see. That's what happens when you start a war. Unfortunately, our leaders in today's world don't understand what implications it has. 1 hour flip, 12 pips. It's already up 5 pips. This should be a nice smooth move down to 10. Oh, that was a quick 10 pips, eh? But yeah, I think this should continue down. If this what's the time right now? Oh, it's 1:40. Okay, so this is the London Open candle. We rejected super hard, and so this is the London Open candle. All right. Once we close below this level, I am pretty sure we can take some good sells. 3 hours. Yeah, actually I'm gonna take sells once we break this level, 680 level. In half an hour. GJ is moving. We should have been in this cell already, but yeah, no problem. We're only gonna create lower lows and even lower lows than that. This 4 hour. That's around 15 pips down now from that candle flip. Gypsy, what do you think?
Hmm.
1
1 second. I marked the 470 level. But yeah, 680 to the 470 is a good
No.
20 pips also.
What do you think about the missed opportunity of this?
Yeah, we could have taken it on the candle flip.
Yeah, because it was a 4 hour candle flip, 1 hour candle flip, 30-minute candle flip,
And
12 pip
yeah,
stops. Yeah,
then rejection also we have for that.
exactly. But we missed it, so
Yeah, and we have that huge rejection
Yeah.
candle. 30 pip. My gosh.
That rejection should have given us enough confidence to take a sell. But it's alright. Let's see what we do on this side. So we break out of this range. I just want to break out of this range. We'll bring this here. Yeah. Okay, so I want us to break out of this 120 range right over here. Once we break out of this range, we should get a good trade. My templates are all wrong. Oops. No trade range. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for right now. Below this level. So once we close below this level, I'll definitely take the trade on the half an hour time frame though. What we can do is we can change this to a blue. No, but that's not warning enough. So yeah, let's see. Tango, yo, what up, man? What do you think about gold buys? Yeah, gold buys, I was actually looking at it, but I was looking at it above this level. But now since we're already above this level, it's a little interesting because we would have had to take it on the candle flip. And this candle is 40 pips. The candle wick itself is 40 pips. So that's interesting. I think once we break this 15-minute high, we have an easy continuation up. Because especially like Putin is relentless and he's giving everybody out, giving everyone money. So take it while it lasts. Alright, so if you're in this, once we break the high, the goal is it's already 7 pips. So the goal is at 10 pips to break even, right? So it's at 5 pips. So as soon as you hit 10 pips after the break of the high, you immediately slam the break even trigger. Or if you're not comfortable with this, you can slam the break even trigger. Because this should continue up. Gold is strong enough to continue up. There's really not much stopping gold today. Okay, so GJ. Okay, so this is the new 15-minute candle on GJ. So in order to take this trade on the 15-minute time frame, no, I'm not taking it on the 15-minute time frame. So I'd wait for this candle to close first, and then on the next candle take it. But yeah, if we break below 500 also, I don't mind taking it. Massive long candles. Look at gold. Holy. What did I tell you? Once we break the high, and now we're up to 26 pips. Can you believe that? Intensity. Securing pips on gold. Oh, we're moving up. Can we retest highs? 570. So if you were in this trade, wait, let's mark the 10 pip. There you go. If you win this trade, your stops will be at break even right now, and your targets will be the previous highs, 55. You feel me on that? Tango securing pips on gold. Insane. Tango, you're slaying it. This morning also you slayed them gold buys. Okay, GJ is gonna close down here. I think we're gonna have continuation, I'm not gonna lie. Once we have a break below 600, 590, 580. GJ was a good sell right from there. What, 37 pips down. Gold should be moving up, GJ should be moving down. That's just how it is. Is there any new stimulus? Not yet. Alright. Nice trade on gold. I know, right? That was a pretty easy call on gold, I told you. Once we break this 15-minute high. Why was I able to say this? Because you see this wick right to the left? Right? We have already rejected it and tested it. So once we break this, we'd expect the momentum to continue into this clean traffic range. So yeah, it's just a quick slapper. Those are quick in and outs. JPY. Let's see. Once this 30-minute closes, I'll wait for the next candle to create a stop wick, probably retest 680, 700 level, and then continue down. So yeah, just keeping it real simple. Look at GJ coming down. Strong. GJ is very strong right now. I'm like JPY is very strong right now. Investor confidence must be through the roof on JPY. Okay, so also to help us with that, we can look at a few stock indexes to give us a better look at it. So let's look at the Japanese stock index. That's JXY if I'm not mistaken. There you go. Look at that. It's so bullish today. The Japanese stock index. There you go. Super bullish today. Let's look at DXY. Gold also should be kind of bullish, yeah, but gold is more bearish. You can see we opened up here, we went up, but we've created a redistribution plus another redistribution. So that shows that investors actually aren't too confident, but because of this entire Russian thing, it can change everything. Like, see, euro is just terrible. Just look at euro AUD, okay? That's something that everyone should look at. Euro AUD. Daily time frame. This shows you how weak the euro has been. Look at the movement. We've just been vertically bearish. 1300 pips almost. So that's why you need to look carefully at different things. Euro JPY. Okay, let's break down GBP USD. From a daily point of view, this is the support at a key psychological area 1.32. 4-hour support, barely one over here. All right, and that's what we're breaking below. That's so interesting. Okay, extended. Alright, so look at what we're rejecting on GU. That is the level we're rejecting on GU. We can start looking to go move up after this level right over here. $190. 240 maybe. Right here. Look at that sell coming down. So yeah, so now we can start looking at some different stuff. So GU, honestly, when you look at this level, this sell made more sense, right? The flip would have made a lot of sense. 8 pip stops, 20 pip take profits were there easy with this 30-minute flip, right? But on GBP JPY, it was a little less confident. We could have probably taken this half an hour break of this support and continuation down, depending. So yeah, gold was just a quick scalp. If you're still holding it, there's still some space gold has which it can run. Okay, let's check this out.
Gold supplying around 7 million barrels a day. Analysts are predicting that if most of its exports were cut off, the price could reach $200 a barrel, far above a record $147 more than a decade ago. And the International Monetary Fund has warned the war and sanctions imposed on Russia will severely impact the global economy. Josh Young is Chief Investment Officer at oil and gas equity investment firm Bison Interests. He believes Russia could benefit from the rise in prices.
Ironically, it might not hurt Russia that much. So if Russia gets to export, let's say, a third less of their oil, and if they have to take a discount on it, but if oil prices are much higher, they might actually net positive on the oil side and similar on other commodities. One thing that we lose track of is how much inflation there's been since the last time oil prices were anywhere close to this high. And so if you look at it on an inflation adjusted basis, you'd be looking at oil close to $200 a barrel to be equivalent to the price that it got to in 2008. And frankly, the world economy is a lot stronger and a lot bigger since then, and it's a lot less oil dependent. So you could actually see oil prices go a lot higher before causing a recession and before you see demand destruction. I think there's a good chance that this is not short term. There's always the possibility of a short term pullback after prices rise as much as they have, as quickly as they have. But there were these dynamics going on. There was a long downturn for oil and way too much underinvestment in oil over the last, let's say, 7 years. And there were very harsh government policies in the US, Canada, and elsewhere that were diminishing oil investment and oil production. And so this is kind of the result of that. Obviously, the Russian invasion of Ukraine was a catalyst and brought this forward, but this was something that was going to happen anyway. Oil was going to go to all-time highs kind of regardless.
In other news, Syria's government says an Israeli air attack has killed at least 2 people in Damascus. Several explosions reportedly took place over the capital. State media is reporting that Syria's military responded to what's being called Israeli aggression. And Israeli forces have killed a Palestinian teenager in the occupied West Bank.
Not gonna lie, oil definitely looks like it's gonna go to the moon. You know, I remember seeing oil when it was at 0.5 cents, literally 0. And so, sorry, not 0.5 cents. Yeah, when it was at 50 cents, my bad. And now look at it. It's interesting to see. This world is a little crazy, eh? Now let's trade oil. Yeah, let's just trade everything, to be honest. Let's see, what is crude oil looking like? Yeah, let's see, US oil. Yeah, It is at all-time highs. Yeah. Oh, what a time that was, honestly. If we just had to buy and hold it, right? $10,000 pips? Yeah. 10,000 pips on oil in 2 years. Okay, GJ, about a close. GJ, about a close. Are we gonna get into it? Who's getting into GJ? Who's looking at some GJ sells right now? Top wick and then break off. What do you say? Top wick and then we take the trade on the low? That's not the 1 hour close though. 30-minute close. Let's see. Let's make the top wick. If we reject this level right over here, then we can decide. Top wick formation and then re-entry on candle flip. Let us form this candle. Let's see, 30-minute time frame. Switch to sell scalp. Yeah, let's lock it. Are we a little late for this? This should continue, not gonna lie. Oh, is there a potential for a higher topic? Gypsy?
Yes, I didn't enter this.
Didn't enter?
No.
For a break of the lows or daily low. Break of the daily low. Okay, let's just watch this play out today. So the call was below this 30-minute support. Our usual 10 pips stops. Right now it's almost at 10 pips. Right? So what are we up? 7 pips. We're not gonna let that go back in a negative. We're right at the 500 level. So honestly, I'd say my target should be down here. So this is my target down here. It didn't create a big enough topic, to be honest, for me to be like confident in this sell. Guys, I'm in no trade. Just keeping it alive. How about Geo? Hello. Okay, sorry, I missed that question. Let's check. GU. GU is now breaking below our zone, so I don't mind taking GU once we close below the zone. Let's look at it. 151, 200 support. Yeah, 151, 500 on GG would be nice. 151, 500. Yeah, the break below 500 would be really nice. On which time frame would be cleanest? Honestly, the problem with this is right now, once we break these two candle wicks right over here, we should drop really hard.
Getting a call out beta back.
Yeah. So that's why you'd already be at break even. Because if we don't break these candle wicks, then we're gonna create big rejections like this. The next candle is just gonna be one bullish candle going right up. Hello, impulse entry. I would say no. Let's not. No impulse entry. If you're in it already with the close, then you can stay in it. If not, don't enter. You're gonna wreck yourself if you impulse enter now. Impulse entries are just bad, to be honest. So there you go. If you're in GJ, damn. You all should have been in this already if you want. Next target should be 20 pips. We've broken the previous daily low. So yeah, so the next target should be 20 pips. Stops where they were. It looks really good. But yeah, when you see me click open trade over here on magic keys, that's when you know I'm in the trade. And you'll probably hear it. In it from 15171. 15171. Oh, that's awesome. All the way up here. Good stuff. XFX. And candle close below 151.5 and then a wick up or a retest, then break on the low, and the new candle will be a setup for me for GJ sell. Yeah, definitely. I think what you're looking for is this, right? 151. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking for, to be honest. It looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, Jesus should continue down, because when we get that volume to break the daily lows, we should be able to continue easily. Okay, gold hasn't hit break-even triggers yet. DJ looks like it's about to come down. Right over there. What is it? 480? Not sure. As you can see, there's a lot of volume. I also think GJ should go down now, but let's wait and see. Yeah. Yes, Tango. Praise, are you in any trades right now?
No, I'm not in any trade. I'm just watching GJ. I'm not very comfortable taking it. Just waiting it to break the 51,500.
So true. If I was in from up here, then I wouldn't have mind. But now, since we're already at the lows, I wanted to break this low to validate it.
Yeah, same applies. I'm not comfortable taking it now.
Or if this 2-hour time frame closes below here, or what is the other time frame? Yeah, 2-hour, 1-hour. Those are the time frames that I'm waiting for to close over here. Do you think GJ will drop after breaking the daily low? It's definitely possible since it's already broken the daily low on the lower time frames than the daily. So on the 4 hourly, 3 hourly, 2 hourly, we have to start breaking lows. So once we are in a completely bearish market, we should be able to continue. Like see, this 1 hour, 30 minute and 1 hour has only changed this minor bullish trend, right? So we've changed it to a bearish trend. So now in order to completely change this to a bearish trend, we have to break this low right over here, right? So once we break this low, that's when we will be in a bearish market finally, like a completely bearish market. Confirmation. Yeah, we need much more confirmation. GBPUSD rejecting, gold rejecting also. Gold should flip and continue to retest these highs. And retesting these highs should actually continue to push gold up now for a while. Because that's just how gold is. Gold is very volatile. So breaking these highs should give it like a lot of momentum to continue. So gold, how far have we called gold by? 35 pips easy. GJ breaking daily low. I think we could say we've missed the move on GJ, but yeah. GU analysis, please. So GU analysis is basically when you look here, right? Look to the left, X of X. Look to the left. Back in, when was this? 2021 December. We were at this price point rejecting again and again. And right now, we've come back here. So we need a break below this level to take a good confident trade now. Targets. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see how long ago we've not come here. Here, your targets are down here. So there you go. Those would be our targets. But we need GU to break below this level to come down. That's around 37 or 40 pip target from that level. So look at gold push up, GJ is trying to push down. So you can see right now there's a little bit more uncertainty, eh? So yeah, that's basically my GU analysis. Okay, you see we looked to the left and we saw what we were looking for. So now looking at GJ, we don't have the confidence to take this. So I think for me the confidence will come when this 2 hour closes. Because see, the 2 hour time frame is the only time frame which is breaking a proper support, breaking market structure to continue bearish. And so the 3 hour and 4 hour, and they all close at the same time. So my confidence will come when that closes. Because right now the 1 hour, 30 minute and all are still at this price point, which honestly is playing very dangerous with us. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah, that's basically what you can do. GJ is pushing down. GJ is pushing down. About 15 pips. It can hit TP to 20 pips and continue because we've broken the daily low, right? So there you go, there's your move on GJ. GJ moving down. GU is moving down. There's a lot of volatility in the markets, so we need to look at it. Any new news? No new news. We finished the CHF news, foreign currency reserves. Last news is for the euro today. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna wait for a pullback on GJ to get in. We need a nice pullback on GJ. No problem, XFX. Oh, there you go. 20 pips on GJ. Hit, target, hit. Gold can continue up, not gonna lie. GJ played around the entry, but it was a good entry. It hit 20 pips or so. There is no major news. Yeah, I think it's just all that volatility, right? There's so much of volatility in the market because of the amount of investors that are jumping into pairs and safe haven currencies. They're moving money around. Countries the world are moving money around, right? So yeah. On a lighter note, do you guys like the chat coming up on the screen on the left side of the chart? Do you like the magic keys on the screen itself? And the view count also at the left bottom corner. Just trying to make the trading experience a better experience, eh? Or the best experience possible. Russia announced ceasefire. That's actually a big scam, honestly. I saw that this morning, Russia announcing ceasefire. Okay, GJ should continue down big time. This was a good trade when the candle closed. I'm not gonna lie, I should have taken it, but yeah, it's fine. Russia did announce ceasefire. I know what you're talking about, but wait, let me go to ABC News. Let's go to live.
It won't become so, but once it was completed, it allowed Russia to bypass the Ukrainian gas pipeline system, which was one of the primary means of sending gas from Russia.
Okay, that's just, they're still talking about gas. Ukraine, Russia prepare for third round of peace. Wait, did I just see peace? Where's the Britain? Humanitarian corridors open. Controls what in Ukraine? Oh, okay, so they've already made a chart that shows. Okay, so this is Crimea. Russian control. Russian forces have operated in or launched attacks against but do not control. Okay, so you can see them making their way through Chernobyl and going to Kiev. So Russia controls all of this. That is interesting. Kharkiv also they've got. Luhansk also. Evacuation routes. This is a big mess, I'm not gonna lie. Belarus. Okay, wait. There's a Twitter page which I do look at. BNBO. BNO. So these guys are actually pretty good. They supply news pretty fast. Russia declares ceasefire in the areas of Kiev. In the areas of Kiev. So oil stores, yeah. So unidentified aircraft said to be Russian shot down over Kharkiv in eastern Ukraine. So yeah, all kinds of stuff is going on, honestly. It's very interesting. If you took GJ cells now, where would you place your stop loss? I won't be taking GJ cells right now, but if I did take it, it would have been the break of this daily low and my source would be above the 30-minute high. So that's the thing. GJ is gonna continue down. It's very strong right now. So we should get that 40 pip target which we called. If it moves straight to target, that'd be awesome. So even when you miss trades like these, right, it's important that you are able to look at it and journal it. So next time this happens, you're gonna be right in there. He sold GJ at 152. Sachin Kumar, you sold GJ at 152. In 10 cells, you're about 70 pips up right now. You're pretty much done for the day, my man. Good job, like, that's insane, man. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep it up. I don't think I have an applause sound effect, but yeah, that's awesome. You're making bank, so keep going. So Emma, you got me right. You understood that of where I put my stops above the 30-minute high. So that's low. For my trading style, that would be like a 15 pip stop. So that's like perfect for me. And when we look at it, we could possibly move down to 149 is your target, eh? Yeah, that's the monthly support. Definitely possible. But I mean, it may happen with quite a few pullbacks, not gonna lie. Right? The pullbacks are inevitable. So yeah, so we have Adaville in the house. And so if you all like what you see, do subscribe and join us. Yeah, GJ is very strong. So we've moved past 20 pips now. It's continuing. The second target also is hit. So now I think the third target would possibly be like actually the third target is just gonna be 40 pips straight off. We've hit the 20 pips also. So now you're just risk-free trading, right? Stops at break even and even. Sachin Kumar, you're a swing trader. Yo, that's awesome. So then you've got a banger entry. That's nice. So as a swing trader, what's your risk percentage per trade? And I'm guessing you don't take trades all that too often. So yeah, gold seriously is gonna continue up. Just playing the fool for now. So on days like this, when you have volume, you just have to trust yourself and take those trades. 1% per trade. Alright, we can work with 1% per trade, that's good. GJ coming down to our 40 pip target. Are you from India? Yes, Sachin, I'm from India. Welcome to the stream. Is this your first time over here on the stream? We have a few others from India also. Ravi Kanodia also is from India. That's all awesome. Looking at European gas futures, XFX. Sorry, I missed that. They are just targeting pro-Russian areas. Yep, Ravi, that's true. My bad, I missed those comments. It's I feel like it's amazing that he calls a ceasefire on 4 major cities. That's like saying I'm still gonna bomb the rest of you, but I'm calling a ceasefire on these areas. That makes no sense whatsoever. That's a dirty game that Putin is playing, honestly. GJ going straight to our 40 pip target. Let's go, GJ. Let's move. GU also broke the low and it's continuing on. I don't trade support and resistance. That's good for you, mate. Whatever works for you. If your plan and strategy works for you, that's awesome. Trade whatever you trade best. I trade structure and flags. Yep, that's awesome. Good. We trade price action and market structure, yeah. And flags, I personally don't believe in flags, but if it works for you, it works for you. So that's good. Keep it up, man, Sachin. You're doing an insane job. Yo, Nathan DC Music. Welcome. Yeah, break evens all round. Even gold should be at break even for you. Because that was an absolute schlapper. How many of y'all are in GJ cells? Let me know. How many of y'all are in GJ cells? I know Sachin's in GJ cells. Ravi, Tango, XFX, Yuvraj, Archie, Praise, and Gypsy. How many of y'all are in GJ cells? How many of y'all are in GJ buys? I know. Sorry, not GJ buys, gold buys and GJ sells. I'm in. Oh, Shaheen. That's awesome, Shaheen. Shaheen is also in them. GJ sells. Fantastic. Shaheen on GJ sells. Gold. GBP USD. I already secured my GJ cells, Tango. Fantastic job, Tango. Keep it up. That's awesome. Quite a few of y'all in GJ cells, eh? Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2. I know I'm learning to trade Forex trading from Falcon FX. That's awesome. Shaheen, Tango, and Sachin are in GJ cells. So 3 of y'all. I got 21 pips in. Beautiful trade. That's twice my daily target. My daily target is usually 10 pips max, but yeah. Beautiful trade. Keep it up, man. Keep going, Shaheen. XFX also in GJ cells. Let's go. You guys are absolutely slaying it. Man, today am I the only one slacking? I missed those cells big time. But let's go. Beautiful stuff, guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Oh, Archie also with them GJ cells. Let's go. Not bad. Keep it going, lads. That is fantastic. I'm happy that all of y'all were able to catch a decent trade on GJ. Let's go. So yeah. Let me just check it out. That's fantastic. Fantastic. GJ sells a pretty decent GBP USD. Oh, I forgot. Euro JPY. How decent is Euro JPY? Okay, Euro JPY hasn't broken What is that? GJ and GU moved really well. So yeah, so now I'd be expecting GJ to do something like this. Alright. That's basically my expectation, because now we need a pullback, right? Collect a lot more sellers and absolutely drop. Because you know, once this pulls back, the retail traders are gonna start jumping in, right? Retail traders that's trade break in retest, right? So now they need their retest. So yeah, so you can definitely catch some trades. So fantastic job, guys. Super impressed. Keep it up. Fantastic. Alright, gold. Come on, gold. Let's push, man. So this, whatever you call it, some people call this an order block. Some people just call it a resistance or a rejection. We're now rejecting that on gold, so we can come down pretty deep. So if you're in this gold trade, right, you've been up 40 pips almost, but right now at 20 pips, you can be careful. Like I told you, once we test these highs, we should easily break above. GJ closed below just now on the 15-minute time frame, if I'm not mistaken, with a bullish candle closer with a massive rejection from the downside. That should be more than 10 pip rejection. Yeah, that's around a 13 pip rejection, if I'm not mistaken. Gold closed with a 15-minute time frame candle. But yeah, fantastic job. Guys, if you're in any other trades, let me know. If you want to send in some charts, you can feel free to. You can join the army, you can join us on Discord. And if you want to follow me, you can join me on Insta. So yeah, both the links are in the comments, so you can join whenever, whichever platform you feel most comfortable with. Are we still taking the 10k challenge? Yeah. No trades on the 10k yet here. So I was one of the friends were asking me, right? He was asking me, are you gonna do a giveaway? Okay. And I was like, no, not yet. I'm not gonna do a giveaway just yet. But when we do hit like 500 subs or something, right now I don't know if we're at 150 or something. When I do hit 500 subs, I will take a 10k challenge, pass it, and then give it away to someone. So yeah, it's just to keep encouraging the community. It's interesting. Or if not, I'll just give away 3 10k accounts, depending on how it goes. Once we hit 500 subs though. So yeah, it's just something to keep motivating people, you know. I think last year I did another giveaway with some of the guys from our Discord server. There were 2 guys named Ankur and Filippo, fantastic traders. Both are SMC traders. And I told them if they gave me a 1:10 trade, right, because SMC traders have such small stops and everything, I'd place a 10 lot on my account just in favor of them, and from that I'd buy them an account, you know. I think it was a 10k account or a 20k account, one of the two, which was pretty interesting. And the guys searched, they gave me 2-3 trades, but unfortunately it didn't go 1:10, so yeah. But it was pretty fun. They searched for some fantastic trades. How many of y'all over here are... Okay, wait, I'll just put a poll up.
Easy there.
Huh?
Nothing sounded wrong.
Oh, which one? Which one?
I'll just put a poll up.
In the comments, my man.
In the comments, I remember.
What is my trading style? Oh, my trading style is price action. You could have noticed from the way I broke the charts down for you. My trading style is completely price action. So any of y'all in this gold trade, y'all are now out of the gold trade. You'll have secured profits. Win for everyone. Dub, scalping or long trades. I'm a scalper, bro. Big scalper, yeah. But yeah, that's basically how I like it. Pum 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 pum. Gypsy, did you catch the trade?
No, man, I was on call.
Damn.
I was on purpose.
I just had to, yo. I just had to.
Yeah, no worries.
Yo, yeah, man, XFX, what's your style? I will most likely not be able to see who votes which one. So, all I know is right now 75% are price action and market structure traders, and 1% is the SMC trader. Guys, go to the comments and vote. Vote on the poll. Even I'm just gonna go and vote for myself.
Dude, it looks like it's gonna rain also here.
Yeah.
That'll be so good.
That'll be really nice, honestly. It's been way too hot, and right
Maybe
now
just-
they're doing the metro drilling.
Yes.
Yeah, they're doing it underground, so that's why they went
Oh,
to
yeah. Good. Underground. Take forever.
That's why they went to my grandparents' house. XFX, we're in India, Karnataka, Bangalore. That's as much as the address I can give you, and it's about to rain over here. At least it looks like it will. So yeah, can we see NZD USD? Yes, we can. Oh yes, we can. Ooh, NZD USD. What are we talking about over here? Okay, so but on the overall we're bullish. We've broken above this previous monthly time frame. Oh, look at that. Oh dang. Key levels. Oh, that is very interesting. 2016 December and 17 Jan, and rejection in 18 and 19. Retest of it in 2021, and now we're retesting it from the bottom. So overall on the monthly time frames with close price action, yeah, Sachin, even I would look at sells, to be honest, not gonna lie. Those sells look so juicy from this level. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Okay, so weekly time frame, the only problem is we've broken above this market structure right over here. I wanted to continue bearish, so I'm gonna expect first bearish price action to start forming up. So what we can start doing is so this is what I normally tend to doing in order to manage my risk, right? So if I'm gonna start taking sells, right, these are like what you'd call like low confirmation sells, right? So these don't have much confirmation, but they are from the rejection level of the previous monthly levels, right? So I would enter only small positions over here. Like, okay, let's just say I was on a 50k account, right? I would just enter a 2 lot over here. So I would just enter only 2 lots over here, and I would let it be, right? And as I'm coming down below this level, re-entering this next range, right? So not only am I creating bearish market structure, but as I re-enter this range to continue down, right, that's where I start entering 5 lots, because now I have more confirmation of bearish market structure. And once I enter clean market, so that's below this level, you see there's a volatility zone. I'd enter a 10 lot as a scalp, right? A 10 lot as a scalp, because I'm only expecting to catch 10 pips, close half at 10 pips, and leave a 5 lot to run. So my initial position would be a 10 lot, then convert it to a 5. So totally I'll have around 12 lots running to the bottom over here. That's just how I like to scale in. Alright, so you get what I mean on NZD USD, because these are low confirmations, because on the 4-hour time frame you look at it, we're bullish. You're taking it off really higher time frame, monthly time frame rejection. So that's why you want to be really careful. Okay, so once we start breaking this market structure on NZD USD, right over here, look at this, right, this price point, that's when we start forming bearish market structure. So from these levels I get more confidence to take my trades. So that's how I would swing it, because you told me you're a swing trader, right? So anyway, let me go to EJ. GJ is back, so there's no more runners on GJ. Everyone's completely out of GJ. We're expecting the retest and continuation. On EJ, we're still waiting. See, EJ has already pushed down quite a bit on the higher time frames. Look at this daily time frame. Dang, look at that push. So like I said, I've marked it over here. I need us to get into this range. I need us to close into this daily range, right? Can you see how we range in this daily? So once we close in this daily range, we can expect price to come down to this level, you know, and this is the range we're looking at traded, right, previously. So once we re-enter this range, I have more confirmation of price continuing down another 260 pips to the bottom of this previous range. You all feel me? Does that make sense? Sachin, did what I explained on NZD USD make sense to you, and Yuvraj, did what I explained on EJ make sense to you? And so now what we're going to be looking at is different forms of news which will enable us to take those trades, you know. So yeah. You feel me? Lol, K1 beats. So I hope you all got that. So okay, I'll tell you what we normally do on the stream, what I normally ask. Put it down in the comments where you all from and what are the pairs you all trade. Alright, out of 10 votes we have 90% who trade price action and market structure, and 1 person who trades SMC. That's fantastic, that's great. I want this to be a community that brings in SMT traders, supply and demand traders, whatever, structure traders, retail traders, break and retest traders. I want our community to have it all, so when we do take a trade, if we're all on the same side, you know it's going to work really well. XFX, GJ Gold, bro, let's go, man. Fantastic. I think price action traders are usually all GJ and gold. Florida US 30 K1 beats. That's awesome. What's happening on US 30? And how do you trade US 30? Do you trade it same way you trade price action or what? I've never traded US 30, but I've back tested it. I'm looking forward to it. Emma, Kenya, that's awesome. What pairs do you trade also, Emma? I'm guessing GJ Gold, because it's price action traders. Okay, so now there are 2 SMC trader votes, GJ and GU. Emma, that's awesome. I don't use support and resistance, no problem. So okay, so praise is from Zimbabwe. Let's go. GJ Gold and WTI oil. Oh, that's awesome. I trade candlesticks and fibs. Okay, that's great. If that's working, that's awesome, man. Keep up the good work, K1 Beats. Let's go. I don't know, maybe K1 we should like hit me up. We'll do a backtesting session on US 30 because I've only backtested US 30. I've never had the guts to actually take a trade on it, you know. Firstly, because the understanding of lot sizes and everything on stock indexes is so different, and so yeah, so I don't mind doing a small backtesting session on US 30. That is honestly, that's awesome. Well, there are 15 of us live today. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. How many of y'all are using the US 30 mini? You risk cents instead of dollars. Okay. 30 mini. Interesting. That's nice. That's good. Ooh, shall we bring back an interesting question, which was actually a banger at one point? Gypsy, do you trade for the luxuries that trading brings, or the freedom of time, or to be your own boss?
I answered last time.
So answer this time.
Put on poll.
But I can't see whose answers whose.
Why does that bother you?
Hey, I run this now. Let's go.
The question in the group, they'll answer individually.
Yeah. Wait. Yuvraj, me. Yuvraj, me as in like you trade US 32. Same chart as US 30, but only some brokers have it, like vital markets. Alright. Yuvraj M in. Yuvraj, I don't know if the stream is delayed or what, but I didn't get what you were trying to say. Trust me. Okay, actually another interesting question for the chat. How many of y'all journal your trades? Tada, let's go. How many of y'all actually journal your trades? You know? I really want to know how many of y'all are into journaling trades. Sachin Kumar, which broker we use? I trade with my Forex funds, yo. I trade with my Forex funds. And I use Traders Way. And at one point I was using IC markets. I don't honestly. Okay, you don't trade journal. I used to journal my trades. Ravi journals the trade. Yo, journaling your trades is very good, trust me. It used to help me a lot when I used to journal trades. Wait, let me just where's my, because I think it's very important, and I'm still gonna journal my trades again. So I used to have post-trade analysis. Of course I stopped journaling my trades because I got lazy, and what I started doing was I started lots of insecurities in journaling trades. See, the only way you can get over those insecurities is by journaling your trade. Okay, so look at the month of April last year. I journaled every single trade. Of course, like, look at how arrogantly I journaled it. I didn't put in any effort at all. Okay, I was just journaling all the trades that I took, and when you look at it, when it came to the month, I'm not sure, because some months I didn't even journal, you know. So like you can see the level of detail that went into journaling after that, you know. to understand why exactly I took the trades, you know, the higher time frame, lower time frame analysis, the market structure that I looked at. And so what changed was here. So when you look at my Discord server, I journal my trades and use IC markets. That's awesome, Sharif. So what I started doing is I started doing post-trade analysis to show everyone how I journal my trades. And so that's where I started like being accountable for my trades, right? So the trades I call. So this was all the way in May, right? When you look at it, I started posting every trade, winners and losers. Like, see, even this one, an absolute loser, but I still journaled it. Right over here, I got stopped out before we could even go loser. Here, my lesson which I learned, price did reject the level to continue back, showing excellent trade management but lower time frame. Price action is very important. Look here, when I do win a trade, you see all the information. So journaling your trades will help you, because you know, when I go on a losing streak, I come back and I look at these trades and I'm just like, oh dang, look at what I used to do, you know. When I head on a losing streak, I'm like, oh man, I'm pretty decent, you know. And so then when I started my 50k account on my Forex funds, I did phase 1 and phase 2 both live on the Discord server. So every single trade from the terminal straight up, right? You see, phase 1 was $4,000 profits, right? Which you had to make. I journaled everything. Every single trade was seen. That is awesome, Kevin. So here you see every single trade that was journaled. And every single call that I made, you can see the call that I made, right? And the result. You can see how perfectly it does exactly what I drew out, right? And so, see, those kind of things make us confident. And these are at times when I used to carry over trades, you know. So you can see literally a 0.5 and a 2 lot. And that's probably after having, okay, that's still a 2 lot. So yeah, so some of these trades, you know, I used to hold 10 lots and stuff like that on it. Here you see there's another 2 lot. Which one is this? 2 lot. Scale in 5 lot, 1.4 lot. So you can see the way I used to scale into certain trades. Only the ones I find confident in, you know. Another 10 lot. Here 5 lot. So it all depends. Like, you need to look for your trading style. So right here 2.5 lot. And so this was the trade results of one of the day's trades, you know, all my GJ trades taken off the same level. So there you go, you know, calling those trades. There you go, 10 lot sells, 10 pips, you know, just keeping it real clean. So as I kept journaling my trades, showing the people in my group, right, of what I'm trading and everything, that made me accountable for it. So finally at the end of it, I could put up this, right, which showed $6,000 in profits, you know, for just 1 week in my trading account. And so then I passed my challenge, the second phase also, and same thing, you know, put up the chart right over here. You see that? So that's basically how it is. And I think this was the best week I ever had somewhere over here. Excuse me. This was the best week I had. That was, I think it was a $7,000 week or something. There you go, $7,100 week. That was pretty interesting. So yeah, it's all about, when you journal, you get accountability, right? You'd get responsibility. So that's what I personally think. What do you guys think? Because I'll tell you what, if some of you are showing me like really good trade management and discipline skills, I'll make a small tab in my Discord server of each of your journals, so people can come and see the trades you all take and why you all take those trades. Because firstly, that will help you improve as a trader, because you're going to be responsible for the trades you take, because you're going to have to post it up. And secondly, it's going to be a example to everyone, you know, you're gonna be like a role model to many people. Pum pum. Feel free to send in your your charts on the Discord server and your trades and stuff like that, or talk about trade ideas whenever you want on our Discord, because it's really easy, you know, for people to look at it and track it and like encourage you, you know, give us thumbs up, give you 100% or something like that. I'm gonna go back to EJ for this. EJ, we're still waiting for break below 600 or 53, one of the two. 153 or 600. So yeah, that's awesome. So 13 of y'all have voted, 8% of y'all are SMC traders, and 92% are price action and market structure traders. That is awesome. Okay, down in the comments, put down how many trades do y'all take a day. What's the cap of trades in a day? Let me know how many trades do you all take in a day, and after how many trades do you leave your charts, because that's a very important aspect. After how many trades would you leave your charts?
Two trades, 3 is pushing it.
So if you won 2 trades, would you take the third?
I'd be tempted to, but after experience, no, I'm not going to take that. Because that third trade will take away both your trades.
So true. 3 or 4 trades and I'm done. 18 trades per day, K1 beats. That's interesting.
Damn, bro.
I'm not gonna. I mean, if you wanna explain what your strategy and plan is, I'd be more than happy to hear that. Three to four, 1 or 2 trades for praise. That is awesome. It's enough, yeah. 1 to 2 is enough. For me, I think for Gypsy and I, 2 trades and we're good for the day. Once you make enough bank, you know, once you've banked 10 pips, it's done, yeah. 2 to 3 for Archie.
So hit the target.
Pardon?
Once you hit the target, we're good.
Yeah.
Others and all, just additional money.
Strategy is the Iron Man candle. That's awesome. I mean, if it works, it works. K1 with 0.01 loss size. 18 trades, eh? Okay, as long performance over psychology. Alright, that's interesting. For me, I feel like performance is dependent on psychology, is what I believe. But yeah, that's definitely that tango. As long as there is a setup, I trade, but on the average, I think 3 to 4, and I trade every session. Oh dang, tango trades every session. Fantastic. For me, my concentration span is 1 session. Maybe 2 at max. If I don't get a trade in this session, then I'll be there for the next one in New York. New York. Gypsy, how many sessions do you trade?
2.
So it's a infinite loop. Never mind. Yeah, you were saying?
2 sessions.
2 sessions. New York.
I mean, I'm there at New York.
Okay. You can't both. Performance and psychology don't mix. Psychology is a myth when you're performing. Ooh. Ooh. Controversial. Came on with a controversial statement. Alright, I'm gonna put it up in a poll. Okay? And we're gonna see how many of you think that, okay? How's your magic keys doing? If my magic keys are good, like, I mean, you can see it on the screen. And this is the digital version, so you can see me how I manage my trades and everything, right? You can watch me do it. Alright. What do you think is needed for a trader? Okay. Psychology alone or performance alone? Both. Okay. Alright, I've put the poll up. Please, 17 of y'all are there. I want 17 of y'all to respond. I want to see what the result is gonna be. Y'all have got me really intrigued, not gonna lie. Yeah, so there's 18 of y'all, whoever just joined. We're doing a poll right now, just check it out. Let's vote in. Yeah, let's see what weight this can carry, honestly. Because that's just gonna show us different views and different aspects from different traders, eh? Let's vote. Ooh, psychology alone. Okay, performance, both 100%. Oh, okay, let's pop up. Psychology is another term for managing anxiety. And paranoia. Interesting. Alright, so then don't you need psychology for managing anxiety and paranoia? Very interesting, Kevin. But yeah, let's all have a healthy discussion, you know. Let's have a healthy way of thinking of it. For me, I personally believe that you need both, 100% of both, because everything in life is interdependent on each other, right? Psychology without performance, if you're a very motivated person but the results are not showing, then your motivation is in waste, right? There is not paranoia or anxiety when you're performing. Of course there is. There's so many people who have like stage fear and stuff. Are you out of college? Ravi, are you asking me or Kevin? That's interesting. Because I believe that both are necessary. That's because they're not performing, they're hoping. So what's a definition? I'm 23. No, I finished college back in 2021. So that's last year. So I finished a year of working by myself, hoping and praying. That's true. Psychology leads to performance, both positive and negative performance. Yup, very interesting. Ooh, I'll tell you what. Yeah, people, go ahead and type it down in the comments. Let's be respectful to each other. Completely respectful to each other. And yeah, go ahead and share your views. I like it. I love a good discussion. Because DJ is anyway not giving us anything. If you lead with psychology, then you already lost. Why would you say so? Why would you say so? So we have 10 votes. So the majority, 8 people. Come on guys, there are 18 of y'all and there are only 10 votes. There are 20 of y'all and there are only 10 votes. Come on. Get it in the comment section and vote. We want to see the majority. How many of y'all think for a trader performance alone, markets don't care about my feelings or yours? No doubt, 100%. I completely agree with that. Come on, let's get down in the comments and vote. What will you do if you don't use confidence in performance to execute a trade? True. And being confident is also part of psychology. Right? So if you're confident, that's why I'm saying both, right? If you're confident and executing trade. Yo, listen, be respectful. I told you no language. Come on, K1. No using language in the chat. That's I don't like it because it's a trigger point for a lot of bad discussion, right? Discord. So no problem. But you know, I just want our stream to be as respectful as possible. All right. This Streamlabs bot is a noob, bro. It was supposed to filter out the language. But yeah, it's fine. True. True. But can we agree, for some people psychology is very important and for some people performance is important? It's each one's viewpoint, right? What do you think? Can we reach a mutual ground post London raging? Yeah, Ravi, hence we engaging in interesting discussion. Gypsy?
Nothing, I was laughing.
It's very interesting. Yeah, because I think, you know, it's like for some people it's the whole concept of, like, you know, working hard and working smart, right? For some people they say just working smart is enough, but we see the results in a lot of people who are working really hard. And yeah, the truth of the matter is just working hard itself is not enough. True, never trade with emotions. So if you have a strong psychology, then you will be able to keep your emotions aside. Long story short, people aren't performing the right way, so they lean on psychology, which is managing paranoia. Okay, so I get what Kevin actually means. I get what he means, not gonna lie. He actually means well. Yeah, Kevin, I do agree with you on that thing. But psychology could also have the positives, right? We're talking about a good thought process, a good risk management system, you know, a good discipline, right? What do you think about that? I do get what you mean. Guys, go ahead and put your comments down and below. 20 people. Also, guys, we're just having some fun discussions. If you've joined in just now, we're just having a fun discussion because GJ is ranging. There was a 30 pip GJ sell on the 30-minute time frame previously, right? We came down 30 pips. There was a good gold buy once we broke above this level right over here of 35 pips. So now we're just waiting for okay, let's wait for a close below this level on GJ. That's the 400 level. Right over here. We're gonna wait for a close below this level to take some sells down in continuation. So there's another 20 pip target we have right over there. Oh, some guy wants me to speak in Hindi. Dude, I really wish I could speak in Hindi, but
How do you speak?
Okay, wait. Discipline and psychology are two completely different things as per K1 beats. Ooh. That would I think. Okay. I'm running up another poll. I just can't. This is very interesting.
Constant practice.
Yeah. Alright. How do you define it? Define it. Discipline, right? And psychology, two completely different things, both same. Hey Kevin, I'm not doing the poll to negate anything you're saying or whatever. Psychology. Let's go. Oh my god. Yo, dude, Mansa, I'm so sorry. I really would like to talk in the local languages, but I'm horrible at it. If you want Kannada, Gypsy is there. He'll tell you in Kannada. Alright, lads. Another poll just went up. 22 viewers with us today. Welcome to DC Trading and Company. We're just trading, and you can see the trades called right below my video right over here. Those are the trades that were called and caught by different people in our group right now with us. Hey, Kevin, see, okay, regardless of which, okay, whatever the polls say, okay, never mind that. If your psychology or whatever, like you said, there's no psychology. If your performance is doing well for you, I completely agree. 100% support in that. Alright? No problem. If for someone their psychology and their mindset really helps them, then I mean, good for them. Whatever works for you as a trader and as an individual. That's right, guys. Okay, guys, come on. 7 votes in. Ooh, this is gonna be a really close one. 43 and 57%. Come on, guys, go to the comments and vote on the poll. This is gonna be very interesting. 8 votes in. Okay, 38% to completely different and 62% to both the same. I voted for both the same because I do believe that in order to have a good discipline, you need a strong mind. And that is psychology. But yeah, I mean, y'all let me know. Ooh, it's a 50-50%. This is very interesting. Let's go. I like this. And GJ is about to give us a trade, I think, in a bit. Ooh. Once this 15-minute candle closes, that does look like a good trade, not gonna lie. Alright, guys, as fun as this, I get headache when I hear Kannada. Oh lord. No problem. Yo, Gypsy, no offense, bro.
That's not tough.
Oh, okay, that looks like the break and retest. I think if we close below this level. Alright, let's get ready for some GJ sells, I guess. What's Euro JPY doing? Okay, let's look for some confirmations on GU. GU also is bearish. Yeah, I think some GJ sells once we break below this, wait, let's say 400 level. No, 380 level. Yeah. All right, no problem. Okay, right now we're sitting at 50%, so that's fantastic. So we can agree to disagree, eh? That it works for some people who do think the same, and it works different for other people who think otherwise. That is very interesting. And guys who've just joined in and heard us talking about things, you know, if you want to join us every day, we're here live at the London session trading it. Do subscribe and do like the video. We're just having some fun out here. I mean, come on, we're just seeing what we all think as different traders from society, right? Alright, so either we're gonna get this candle close below here, or the next 15-minute candle can close here, which would be the close of the 30-minute candle, right? Which would be very, very interesting for us. So I definitely am looking to get into a trade after this closes, because I want this 30-minute candle to close down here to give me a good trade. I think GJ should be able to move 100 pips down at least today. 17 seconds. Okay, wait, before we continue any more of the discussions, let's get ready. Will we close below? No, 5 seconds. No, we're not closing below. I'll look at the next 15-minute candle. What order manager are you using, Ankur? Ankur, it's seen on the screen. Magic keys. As I've always said, K1 beats, just subscribe. GG's K1. You're an amazing sport. So thank you for the subscription. Let's go. Ankur, I'm using magic keys. You can see it on my screen right over here. I feel like this 50-minute candle is gonna break the previous low and just continue. Psychology is a scientific discipline. I asked Uncle Google. Welcome, Sales. Welcome back to the stream, man. That's awesome. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, it's so interesting. Right now we have both of the same discipline is psychology, leading with 53% to 47% saying two completely different things. That's very interesting. That is very interesting. Yeah, let's just keep it going. I think, you know, it's good. We as traders need to discuss different things, you know, because it's just gonna help us all find what we're trying to understand, you can say. Sales, welcome to the stream, man. Did you catch any trades today, Sales? Okay, I need to check the psychology section in Discord. Yeah, actually, I don't remember what we put in the psychology section. Power of awareness. Real trading is a lot messier than backtesting will show you. Two essential skills to master: knowing when to pull the trigger, knowing when to step aside and approach conservatively. It's interesting. K1, GG's, man. You really made it an interactive stream today, like, you know. You really brought out a key aspect, because, I mean, we all need to understand what is discipline, what is your performance, what is psychology. Diamond, only few will understand, eh? True. There are some pearls that people drop that very few will understand, but I guess we'll find out. I love it. I love it. K1 is a unique thinker. I like it. Because K1, like, you know, I feel you on a different level. And because that's like many of my thought processes on a lot of people don't understand, right? It's like it's a different segment which you're appealing to. So yeah, so I agree with you on that. Some will never understand, and that's okay. Definitely. There are so many things, you know. Agreed. Completely agreed. Fantastic stuff. Come on, there are 18 of you guys. Let's Let's get a 1-to-1. Let's get 18 likes and 18 concurrent viewers. Let's boost it up. The likes just help the stream, guys. It just helps more people see the stream and, you know, bring them over. And if you genuinely like what we do, like I said, subscribe and like. Join the army. Ooh, Ravi also subscribed. That's awesome. Gold is pumping. Ooh, gold about to break above 2000. That's interesting. Will we be able to do it this London session? Will we be able to do it this London session? That's interesting. Okay, no trades yet. Hopefully GJ sells play out, maybe cash something during NY session. True. That's the same thing I'm looking at, man. Sales. Ashish 100%. Tango gold pumping. US 30 shorts. Let's check out US 32. Where is US 30? Oh, there we go. Alright, as per K1 beats, he says US 30 shots. Interesting. How far are you looking to short it? K1 beats, about to get Dunkin' Donuts until the sun comes out. Let's go, lad, let's go. K1, where are you from? I don't know if I saw this before, but where are you from and what time is it over there, man? I downloaded PZ Trader Pad and will let you know how that works. It's similar to Magic Keys and it's free. Oh, interesting. Yeah, let me know how that works, Ali. Sharif. Sorry.
Google that.
Yeah, PZ Trader Pad. First, let's Google PZ Trader Pad. Florida at 4:50 a.m. Damn, my man is awake late. GG's, man. The grind you're putting in isn't gonna go into. Buy, sell. Ooh, that's pretty good. It's very easy to use. It's fantastic. Yo, Gypsy.
Yes.
Can you get this and try it out too?
I'll be the guinea pig.
Please. It's just a trade manager. That's it.
Cool.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, is it man like Trek in the house? Oh, Progadro. Let's go, Progadro.
What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing?
We're doing good, man.
Great.
Praise Power of Awareness is so informative. Started reading it over the weekend. Oh, that's good. That is good. Yeah, I definitely think, you know, awareness is powerful. Is what we can look at. Come on, guys, we got 20 of y'all. If any of y'all like what y'all see, please do subscribe. And we got Venkatesh who joined us on Discord. Let's go.
Ask for likes also.
Likes. Okay, y'all can hear him. Gypsy wants y'all to like it. Progadro, okay. Do you have any requests?
No, never mind.
GG's, man. How's your day been, Progadro?
It's been good, but yeah, this week has been pretty busy. You know, like everything is offline, so.
Oh, yeah. So man's going to school now.
Yeah, fuck school.
Hey, no language. Come on.
Alright.
No. Say sorry to the stream.
Sorry, my stream. I apologize.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Progadro. No problem. Just
my beloved stream.
Yeah, we take all that. We take all the bad stuff, all the bad habits and languages, you know, and we just flush it out of this game. Not in this game.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
It's
Gosh, I was washed.
Holy cream.
Yeah. It's 4:50 a.m. Let's go.
Yeah,
Man.
but it's been tough, like, you know.
Yeah.
But I've been keeping up, like journaling and stuff. Everything's good.
That's good. That's good. Keep the grind up. Once school is done, you're gonna be an insane trader. I'm telling you.
Good.
Okay, Kevin, give me a general idea so I can mark it out on my chart. Where do you think US 30 is heading and from where? Okay, where do you think it's heading and from where do you think it's going from? Like, I mean, you called it around few minutes back, so I'm guessing like, let's just say the break of 30-minute low, and till where? Like, I don't know US 30, so I don't know where your target would be. Alright, and GJ, can we break above 2000? The 5-minute or so hasn't been able to close above 2000, so let's see. Sorry, gold. Close above 2000. Can we get that close above 2000? GJ pulled back, man. Come on, GJ. We were waiting for those sells. PZ trader is only for MT4. Oh, it's not an MT5. No problem. 30k long term. Okay, long term 30k. And what's the, where would your stops be? Ooh, interesting. Where would your stops be? Above the previous highs? Here? Short term low, I guess. Yeah. Let's see how it plays out. Yo, Ravi Kinoja has joined us on Discord. Let's go, lad. No idea. Praise 93. I'd actually like to ask Praise this, you know. Praise, what do you think about the previous questions? How do you deal with your discipline and your trading strategy and stuff like that?
Oh man, that's not an easy thing, but what I've just taught myself is I stick to whatever plan I make. I just write it behind myself. I've got a whiteboard, so I just write my strategy there. I just write my entry points. I'll just write what I do and not do, so that I can stick to my strategy. Discipline is very difficult until you just teach yourself to master it. So what I've done is I've wrote things down.
So Trace, would you consider your strategy basically your performance? Okay, would you consider your strategy your performance and your discipline your psychology to pull that performance through?
I didn't get you.
So would you consider your strategy like your entry points, your exit points and everything, right? Would you consider that basically your performance? And would you consider the discipline to execute that, and only that, your discipline and psychology?
Wow, man, I consider them both.
Okay, that's good. Gypsy, what do you think?
Can you please repeat the question?
Oh my gosh, are you serious? You're not concentrating.
You know I am not concentrating. Shut up.
Oh, sorry guys. Gypsy has a girlfriend, so he's not concentrating. I'm joking. But yeah. So your strategy, would that be the performance aspect of your trading, and would discipline be the psychological aspect of it, or do you just consider them both the same?
No, both the same. I think discipline is like what would stop me from doing something which is outside my trade plan, or make me, put it in better sentence, make me follow my trade plan and not trade outside of it, because when I trade outside of it,
get smoked.
We end up crying. Yeah. I definitely don't think they're the same.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah,
Yeah, Praise, you were saying?
Yeah, just wanted to say, discipline should follow some set of rules. You should have rules, your do's
So,
and don'ts.
so discipline is the psychology aspect, right? Both of you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I would say
Yeah.
that psychology would come there because depending on how disciplined you are, you take your trades. Follow your plan, sorry.
Yeah, agree. Okay, 1 second before we continue. Ankur says at 31,600 first target for US 30. Let's go, lad. Okay.
Ankur keeps
yeah. Ankur, I'm gonna put another marking for you to 31,600 as your first target before we go to K1's target at 31,000. If discipline is following rules, then it's performance. But it's very interesting because how do we define performance then? Is it the aspect of execution?
I think performance will be your end result, whether you succeeded or failed. But discipline is what you do in order to secure that performance.
Yeah, that's how I would also view it. But yeah, that's interesting. If discipline. Okay, I see you, K1 Beats. I see you. I feel you. Don't worry. Progadro, you were gonna say something.
At this point, I would just go with Dipsy.
Really, no Progadro, you can't. No copying.
No, yeah. I just took a short nap and I'm not well fit of stuff like this right now.
Alright. We shall spare him. Yeah. But yeah, guys, fantastic session. I had fun with you guys. Psychology is having the guts / courage / all in your head. That's true. Very true. But yeah, I think we've had a fantastic stream. It's 3:30 here out in India. It's basically the end of London session and crossing over session, right, to New York session. How many of y'all would want a NY stream? I don't mind trading New York because I didn't catch a trade in this session. So I really don't mind a New York stream if y'all tell me in advance, That way we can see how we can make it happen.
Let's go New York.
Let's go New York. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go New York.
Oh, let's go New York. Come on, guys, in YouTube also let me know. Progadro, yes. You say no New York. No, that's it for you. You're done.
Yeah, whatever. I'll join if you start the stream. Sure.
Oh, awesome. Okay, Ankur. Wait, did you just say left? Okay, Ankur says, yeah, New York, let's go. Christy?
I'm looking for the New York session too.
Alright, we're going for New York then. Let's go NY. Okay, I think that's our new hashtag. Hashtag let's go New York. Ravi also join up. And I think the rest of them will anyway be trading New York because for K1 also it'll be morning, right? It'll be bright and sunny, so yeah, I'm off today so I can join start to end. Alright, let's go New York. 1 second, let's mark it.
Florida again.
6:30 p.m. Okay, so we'll go from pre-New York 5:30 p.m. Let's go NY. Okay, Shaheen also down for New York. Okay, I guess we're gonna have a banger stream today. What's the time now? So 2 hours from right now. Alright, is that cool? 2 hours from right now. So if you look at my time right now, right? 2 hours from now. Alright, so right now it's 3:30. 5:30 sharp, we will be on for new NY session. Alright. Yeah, let's go grab some food. I hope K1, I hope your Dunkin' Donuts arrives. And it's Monday. Let's go New York. Yeah, and All those who didn't get a trade, don't be disappointed or dismayed. We're coming back. We're gonna attack New York. Hopefully we get a banger trade in. Okay, Russia news would mean risk of gold flies, US 30 tanks. Yep, 100% agreed. I completely agree with that. So yeah, so let's go New York, lads, and I shall see you all in New York. Until then, go grab something to eat, go spend some time with family and friends or whatever. And Gypsy, would you like to do the outro?
No.
Come on, man, you do such beautiful outros.
Record it next time.
Huh?
Record it next time.
No, we need a personalized one for every stream.
I'm getting a call, I gotta go.
What a lad. Only discipline and... Okay, that doesn't need psychology, lol, just discipline and performance. Alright. Some may consider discipline psychology, K1, but yeah, I get what you mean, but... Alright, let's go New York at 5:30 my time. That's 2 hours from the current time. Alright. And I will see you, lads. Take care. Praise Christy, everyone. Thank you all for tuning in. And I shall see you all at the NY session this evening. Pragadro, Ankur.
Yep.
Thank you so
You start
much.
the stream?
Yeah. I'm just gonna head out 1 second. Let me close the YouTube
Alright.
stream. Take care, lads.
Bye.
you